Yeah, so I'm all packed up, leaving Medellin. The reason I'm leaving is because my iPhone's stolen and I can't get past the 2FA security challenge, which is the six-digit code that they send you to your phone or to your email. Both of those are locked. One is sending the code to the other, the iPhone sending the code to the email, and the email is sending the code to the phone. It's like a catch-22. I was supposed to schedule to leave on the 6th, July. It's the 2nd, so I'm leaving a couple days earlier. So the way around this, I've called everybody and gotten all the help and tried to do recovery as much as I could. The way around this is to go in person to an AT&T store, which is my cell provider, or to an Apple store. And yo, Anthony, buddy Anthony, I'm taking off. You want some things I have? Come on. So the solution is to go and visit a store in person in the States because Colombia has no Apple store and no AT&T store, and prove that it's me in person, show my ID, and then yeah, isn't that stupid?
Yeah,
Because
it's crazy. Man.
crazy because I
went through 3 days of calling banks and
yeah.
Google.
Yeah.
It's insane.
No, it's mad. My one of my 3 banks is locked. One of the cards was gone, so that's gonna be. I mean, it's just a mess. Anyway, I'm on my way to the States so that I can get a clone. I'm gonna get a clone of a of a SIM card for my phone. So I had an iPhone 12. I bought an 8, and I figure I could get everything done. But no, it's just not working.
5 minutes to pack.
Yeah, I'm pretty fast. Plus, I was already half packed because I came from Mexico with this thing. So I always leave this here. They're very nice. Co-living, hotel co-living is really nice to actually allow me to leave some stuff behind because I come and go so many times.
Yeah, this hotel.
Yeah, and they always give me the big room when it's available, so it's kind of cool. So let me show you what I got in here, man. Hey, there's a little bit of tequila left. Party tonight, brother.
I'll take that. Hopefully it doesn't have scopolamine.
Yeah, maybe that's the bottle that doesn't have the scopolamine. But I
hope so.
I think the scope. Why don't you try right now? See if you want to go to sleep. But I think
I'll drink a little.
I think it was in a drink. It was in a drink, not in a bottle. Yeah. Anyway, I got more pizza here. How was the pizza? Did you try it?
Yeah, I'll take it. It was good.
And then what I do is I put more cheese on top of the pizza, so it subs it up a little bit more. And then you want some Swiss? Yeah, that cheese is pretty good actually.
Yeah,
and look, I got a beer for you.
Cheese is cheap in Colombia. It's weird.
Yeah. Do you have a fridge in your room?
No.
Okay. So I'm an Uber going to the airport, and there's a huge gay parade going on, and they got the whole street blocked off here trying to get to the airport. When the streets all blocked off, so let's see if we can get through. The gay parade, gay pride march. So yeah, on my way to the airport, I can't get through. I'm in an Uber. So yeah. We're trying to get to the airport. I don't think we're gonna make it. Oh, look at that.
Oh, the annual.
That's a costume. Y lo cortó lo hecho. It is really cool. Bueno, mejor camino hasta el otro lado y vamos con un Uber de allá, ¿no? So I'm here in Panama Airport. This is my 3rd time going through this airport, and it's probably one of my least favorite airports. I'm on my way up to Newark. coming through Medellin, and last two other times I was here was in March, going to Hawaii to receive tax clients. One reason is that it's freezing. It's 34 degrees Celsius outside, which is like, I don't know, like 90, 95. And it's freezing in here. I'll show you in a little bit. Everybody's wearing jackets in here like they're at the ski lodge. So, time to put on the layers. We're traveling light. And I'm going to a warm place in New York. It's 90 degrees in New York. So that's one. Number two, the airport is dark. Look, everybody's wearing jackets. It's one of the darkest places, like the lighting. I don't know what they're doing. They're trying to save on lighting or whatnot. And number three is that at the gate you go through X-ray inspection. So your bags will actually go through a series of X-ray inspections. But that's three. Number four is the worst one for me because I always carry a bottle of water, usually even bigger than this. I love to hydrate on a flight because you get really hydrated on a flight. It's not very good for you. And there's water fountains usually near the bathrooms, and I fill them up. And in this case, you're not allowed to bring water onto the flight. So this New York flight's going to be about almost 5 hours, I think. And you're just going to get like a cup of water, maybe 2 times if you're lucky from the stewardesses. But yeah, everybody's basically freezing up in here, and then yeah, I don't know what the deal is with the water thing. Like they're trying to get more people to buy more water on the plane or not. I don't know. Kind of weird, but anyway, I don't really care for Tucumán, I think it's called, the airport here in Panama City. So, yeah. Here at my sister's house in New Jersey. Heading over to AT&T Apple Store and trying to recover my 2FA. Get a new SIM card for my phone that was stolen. Hello. Então. Então, menina novinha.
Ah, bem, tá. Agora ficaste.
Você está bem?
Ah, tá bem de cara, mas o resto não tem nada a ver.
Good. Quantos anos é que você tem? 67?
Mais 10.
Ah, sim, 77, tá bom.
77 era bom.
77, é.
Mas é mais 20.
Now você está boa. You're good. Check out the new deck. Hey, caramba. Ooh, it's hot. It's like 80 something degrees. I think it's 82. It's gonna go to 90. And so they just stained the deck. Sister's flowers. Got the tomatoes going over there. Ooh, got the lettuce. Looks like romaine. What is that? Squash? Cabbage, Portuguese soup. Kale, cabbage, green soup, caldo verde. Beans, string beans. Mint. Hydrangea is my favorite flowers. Beautiful. Nice. Yeah, it's about 82. It's I don't know, 11 p.m. Gonna go to about basil, rosemary, I think, parsley. Oh yeah, it's gonna go to about 90. Humidity is super high. Neighbors got some peach trees. So I'm gonna head over to the AT&T store. See if I can get my 2FA for my stolen phone. This phone, you need a muscle to open up that phone, that door. Here with the sister and the brother-in-law at a Portuguese restaurant. I just ordered a pargo. By the way, this is Portuguese bread. This is like bread in Europe. Comes in hot with butter. Look at this, $24 a pargo, which is a sea bass, right?
Yeah.
This is the Portuguese and the Latins and the Americans eating Portuguese food. This big portions and getting diabetes, cholesterol, fat, not getting off the couch. And look at that. That's the barbecue piri piri. Piri piri is a spice from Mozambique, from Africa. And look at the salad. Look at my salad. So my salad is good for about 2 or 3 people. Look at it. How cool is that?
You gotta marinate the salad.
Oh my God, it's so good.
In the towel.
It's so good. No, it's not trout. This is ocean. It's so good. It's so oily. It's so delicious. Finger looking good. Yummy. Portuguese wine. Probably California. This is so freaking good. Check this out. I'm not even using a knife or a fork. No.
With your hands?
Look at this.
For the last couple of weeks, Pax has been shedding her street habits in favor of good old-fashioned manners.
Oh my God.
Having received a paws up from her new sister, she can put her etiquette to good
Portuguese
use.
food is so good. Look at this.
Oh my gosh! Hey!
Mm.
First time I saw
Oh, yeah.
Pax, I was so excited.
And they got rock salt. It's kosher salt, right? Make sure you get all these bones out. But look at this meat. Look at it. And it's oily and it's salted. Just came from the AT&T store. Got my life back. Got my 2FA. 2FA. I'm gonna call 2FA fucking ass because it sucks. It killed my life. I had to fly red eye. $340 from Colombia to an AT&T store around the corner because I had a stolen phone and my 2FA was going to the stolen phone. And I had to go buy another phone. I couldn't get the 2FA code. Anyway, got my life back. Happy. Gasoline is $3.45. And we are here to play the lottery. And you can't see the numbers because of the sun glare, but it's, I think the Mega's 500 million and the Powerball is 400 million. So, okay, so yeah, so Powerball, 522 million. Mega's 400 million.
Hi. Can I get 10 games on the Powerball and 10 games on the Mega?
Gotta be win it to win it. Hey, it's Tony. Please help me grow my channel. I ask you to subscribe. Press on the subscribe button. The thumbs up is the like. And then the bell. The bell gives you a notification when I've uploaded a new video so you can watch new content. And then comment. Let me know what you like and dislike. Thank you so much for watching. Aloha.